Narrative has absolutely set the crypto space on fire. Welcome back to Bearman Crypto, where we talk all things crypto. So, I'm not sure if any of you have noticed, but literally in recent days, any sort of AI related coins have been absolutely pumping. And they've not just been pumping just a little bit, but quite a lot. And there seems to be this emerging narrative that AI is going to be the next big thing in crypto. Similar to the way that other narratives have arisen in crypto. So we had the gaming narrative where any crypto coin associated with games would just absolutely rip. And there was also, for example, the metaverse narrative. That's when you started seeing a lot of coins popping up. And literally, there would be some sort of association with metaverse, and they would just absolutely pump. It seems in 2023 now that new narrative is in relation to AI, and one of the key catalysts has been this recent announcement from Microsoft that they were basically investing in Chat GPT, which is basically owned by OpenAI. And basically, this is absolutely huge in terms of the amount of users that this specifically targets. And the amount of money that we're talking here is absolutely insane. So Microsoft are looking to invest about 10 billion, which would then value OpenAI at around about 29 billion. So obviously, when you look at those specific numbers, you then start to wonder in terms from a crypto perspective. Imagine some of just a little bit of that money coming into the crypto space. That would just be absolutely insane. And basically, what I want to go through in this video is just some of the AI related projects that I'm starting to look at. Of course, this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own further research. But there's just a few things that I just want to highlight in terms of basically which are the current top AI projects in the space, or we can have a look and we'll just have a look at basically what's really been pumping in recent days, of course. So basically, what you can see here is a breakdown by market cap of the top current AI projects in the crypto space. And I'm sure a lot of you so far have probably now heard about Singularity Net, and this has just been absolutely tearing it up. You can see in the last 30 days it is up 313%. In the last 7 days, over 130%. You can see here this is quite a good site because it basically shows you how far away it is from the current all-time highs. So you can see a lot of them are still 90% below their all-time high. So Singularity, you got Singularity Net in terms of the top project, and the market cap for Singularity Net is 225 million. So in the grand scheme of things, this ranks this top AI project around about. We can now just have a quick look on CoinGecko. It ranks, that being a top AI project, it's ranked 144 on CoinGecko. So it's not even in the top 100. So you can imagine the potential for the level of gains that you can get once, if this extended market rally continues. These are obviously going to pump, and as we enter a bull market at some point, these are absolutely going to absolutely have insane gains. So I wouldn't be surprised if you're making 100x plus from investing in some of these tokens. And again, you got Fetch AI, which is ranked at number 2, and that's only got a 215 million market cap. You got Ocean Protocol. You got this one, iExec RLC. You got Numere. What else do you have here? You've got Vector Space AI. You've got Alliance Block. So in terms of some of these projects, the way I'm thinking about it is looking at specifically which ones are listed on big platforms. So by big platforms, are they listed on somewhere like Binance? Because if they're listed on somewhere like Binance, that means there's going to be a bigger amount of liquidity likely to come in should this narrative continue of AI being the next big thing. You can imagine a lot of retail investors flocking to Binance specifically and starting to buy some of these projects. So looking at this, Singularity Net is on Binance, Fetch is on Binance, you got Ocean Protocol, which is also on Binance, Numere is on Binance. What else do you have? You got this one, VidDAO, that's on Binance as well. So those, when you think of those projects that I've just talked about there, those are listed on Binance. So it's definitely worthwhile getting on there and having a look. And we're still miles off the all-time high from the last bull cycle. So it's definitely worthwhile going in and having a look at some of these projects. So that's what I'm going to be specifically looking at. But what I'm also going to start looking at is, looking at the ultra low cap ones, the ones which have got even lower market cap. So specifically the ones that I'm eyeing up at the moment is this Vector Space AI. You've got Alliance Block. That's another good one, which has got a relatively low market cap at this stage. And you've got Singularity DAO, which is, you're looking at 16 million market cap. These are obviously a lot riskier plays. So obviously, please make sure you do your in-depth research into some of this stuff. But I think this is going to be a definitely exciting space in the coming months should this narrative for AI continue. And it's, who knows, it could literally be the next big thing, not just in crypto. We already know that it's quite a big thing just from a technology perspective, but in terms of how it's going to grow crypto, it could grow crypto incredibly in terms of the inflow of investment into this space. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you like the video. Please, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you tickle that like button. And that's all I've got for you. And I'll see you in my next video.